Hello. So here we are on Coinbase.com. You've logged in and this is your front page. You're new to crypto and you're thinking, what the hell is all of this? Graphs, numbers everywhere. I have no idea what I'm looking at. I'm here to guide you through, show you through exactly what's on the Coinbase.com website, and hopefully it will make a hell of a lot more sense to you. So the first thing you're going to see is how much money you have, which is what everyone wants to see. How much money do I have today? And it will give you the most up-to-date balance you have on your Coinbase account. This is giving you a 1 month view, and you're able to have a look and see how that balance has changed over time. Quite easy to have a look at, quite simple. You can change that to the past 24 hours, the past month, whatever you like. You then scroll down and you have a watch list. These are all the cryptocurrencies you've decided you want to keep an eye on, and you want to be able to see on your homepage at a quick view. It gives you a 24-hour change in that particular asset. You're able to click onto that particular asset and then have a look in greater detail. But let me go back here. Yes, you're also able to view it as a list or as a grid, and you can edit that as well. You can change that so you can, remove some cryptocurrencies if you really wanted to from your watch list. And then when you go back to your homepage, you have less there to have a look at. There you go. You then have this is the invite page and the earning cryptocurrency page. So here you're able to actually earn cryptocurrencies for free, which is always good to hear. Free is always good. So I'll go into that in more detail in a separate video, but here you're able to watch videos and then invite friends to watch the videos as well, and Coinbase will essentially give you free money. Everyone likes some free money. More free money. Invite friends to Coinbase. So you can type in a friend's email address, send them an invite. If you're busy trying to get your friends and family, aunts, uncles, girlfriends, boyfriends, partners, cousins into crypto, you can type in their email address, send them an email, and they'll get the link. If they use that link and they buy or sell, there we go, at least £74.29 worth of crypto, you will get £7.43. Free money. There we go. You can also copy the link, copy it to your clipboard, and you can share that on WhatsApp or however you need to get the people signed up and get that free money. Further down, you see your portfolio. So your portfolio is essentially all the cryptocurrencies you own, and the percentage of your total portfolio that particular cryptocurrency makes up. So 63% of my portfolio is currently in the compound cryptocurrency. It then tells me the amount of coins I own. So I own 0.3151 comp tokens, and this tells me the dollar, or in my case pound sterling value of that particular cryptocurrency asset in my portfolio. And there we have the total balance of £53.02. I'm rich. So here we have recent transactions. Basically all the money that's been going in and out of my account. You can keep an eye on that, see where you sent money to or where you received money from. And that essentially is the front page of Coinbase.com. So now I'm going to move on to the portfolio part of the page, which is on the left over here. Here, essentially, it gives a bit more detailed view of the cryptocurrencies you own and the cryptocurrencies you don't own. So here I have, I own those 3 cryptocurrencies, which you saw earlier. And then all these cryptocurrencies I don't own, 0.0000. So there we go. What it also gives you is it gives you the balance of any fiat currency you have in your Coinbase account. So when you transfer money into your Coinbase account, the money will end up here, essentially. If it's pounds or if it's euros or dollars or whatever, you'd see that here. And that's where it sits, essentially. And at which point you can then sell that and exchange it for any of the cryptocurrencies down here. I'll go into buying and selling in a separate video. That's essentially it for that portfolio page. Once again, this is the same chart you saw on the first page, and you can change that by to different time periods over there up top. Let me not forget This is where you can invest over time. So this is where essentially Coinbase allows you to automatically buy cryptocurrencies at a regular cadence. So you have a quick click through here. You can, for example, do every week, every day, every month, for example, purchase Bitcoin, using your particular method of payment. I'll go through the buying and selling another time, as I said. But there you go. And you have prices. So this essentially is where you can update the watch list, for example. Remember that watch list we had on the previous page, and remove assets or add them onto your watch list. It also gives you the current price, the change in the past 24 hours. Yes, so you can change that here. You can do 1 hour, 1 month, 1 year. As you can see, cryptocurrency market's doing particularly well here, 208% up versus last year. So I should have got in a year ago, basically, is what this is saying, which I did, thank God. And it allows you to trade here as well. So here you can trade, potentially that buying and selling you saw earlier. And rewards. This is where there's lots of cryptocurrencies where essentially Coinbase say if you watch a video and learn about the cryptocurrency, we'll give you some free money. I'll talk through that another time. And the notification that is just price alerts on different cryptocurrencies and coins. I'm never usually here. So that, my guys and girls, is an overview of Coinbase.com. Hopefully that's useful. Hopefully it gives you an idea of what you can see and what is available to do on Coinbase.com. I'll go into more detail in regards to any specifics like buying and selling, sending and receiving, etc. in a separate video, but hopefully that demystifies what can be quite an intimidating and confusing website to begin with. Thanks a lot, guys. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, please like and subscribe anyway. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye.